In fiber optics, contamination is the enemy. Even invisible dust or oil on a connector's end face can disrupt signal quality or bring a network to a halt. Automated cleaning with the Pro360 Touchless Cleaner changes the fiber end face cleaning game with a revolutionary, contact-free clean powered by specialized cleaning fluid and fluid dynamics. That's where the Pro360 fluid flow technology harnessing the Coanda Effect comes in. But what is the Coanda Effect, and how does it help clean without touching the connector? The Coanda Effect is a fluid dynamic phenomenon. When a jet of fluid or air travels near a curved surface, it naturally clings to it, following its shape rather than moving in a straight line. Why is this? Because as the jet stream flows along the surface, the pressure on that side drops, creating a vacuum-like pull that keeps the stream attached. In wet-to-dry fiber end-face cleaning, the Pro360 uses this principle brilliantly. It injects a microburst of high-purity cleaning fluid into a high-velocity airstream, which instantly atomizes the fluid. The cleaning fluid flows over the entire 360 degrees of the end face, even around edges or irregular shapes, ensuring full coverage without any physical contact. As the fluid reaches every surface, it dissolves oils and dislodges particles. Then, a focused burst of clean air follows, drying the surface. And where does the contamination go? It's carried off with the fluid as it evaporates, or harmlessly dispersed to parts of the connector housing where it can't interfere with signal transmission. Thanks to the Coanda Effect, cleaning fluid goes exactly where it's needed, and the dirt goes exactly where it belongs, away from your signal path. No contact, no guesswork, no delays. That's the power of the Coanda Effect in fiber end-face cleaning, and the future of automated cleaning with the Pro360 Touchless Cleaner. Learn more at sticklerscleaners.com.